Good morning, everyone. My name is David Jaroszewski, and today I'm going to be speaking about some of the skills that students need in order to be college and career ready. What are the skills that they need to be successful inside and outside the classroom? So I synthesized all these skills and information into three skills that I believe every student should have. So the first one is higher order thinking skills. The basic skills of questioning and connecting concepts that every student should have. Basic communication skills, oral fluencies are essential to their success, whether they're in college or they're in their career, and overall adaptability inside the classroom and outside the classroom, whether they're in college or they're in the workplace. Being adaptable is very essential to their success. So higher order thinking skills, according to Bloom's taxonomy, is essentially, as we all know, a hierarchy of skills necessary to critical thinking. So you start at the bottom, you're reading, you're analyzing information, then you're synthesizing that information, and finally evaluating it, creating something, hopefully creating a product or a solution to a problem. And those actions are transferable whether you're in college or you're in the workplace, you're working in a group together to create a solution to a problem. So being able to think creatively and effectively, innovatively is incredibly important. Being able to synthesize information to support an argument or a main claim or your position on a topic is also very important because you're using that information to support something. So whether you're a doctor or a lawyer or maybe arguing with your wife, it's really important to being able to use credible information to support your opinion. And that kind of ties in with also being able to discern between credible and suspect information on the internet. As we all know, the information is just a swamp of information with a lot of great information, but also a lot of biased opinions and uncredible sources. So it's really important that we teach students how to effectively research information as well, including higher order thinking skills. Building communication skills with the students is obviously very important. Building oral and language fluencies, these soft skills of flexibility, teamwork, time management are very transferable and highly useful qualities and traits that they can use in any type of workplace or any type of environment that they're in, whether it's everyday life or in the classroom in college or in the workplace. Those are very important skills that they need. Being able to collaborate and work in really diverse groups is also very important. So having a lot of collaborative projects is very important in the classroom to really reflect what a modern day workplace looks like. That's why PBLs and linked learning programs are awesome because they link different subjects and disciplines together with this integrated curriculum. And they create, they achieve a goal, they finish a project, they create a solution to a problem, which mirrors what happens in the real world. So overall, just connecting the classroom and the real world together and emphasizing these communication skills and the ability to work together with diverse groups of people, reading social cues, understanding social and cultural norms is very important. And finally, just building overall adaptability of our students is incredibly important to their success. Modeling and making a multicultural classroom is really important because it exposes students to different cultures. And like I said earlier, it's going to reflect a modern day workplace and it makes them more adaptable to this ever-changing, 2019 world. Also teaching them these 21st century skills like using a computer, how to research, how to discern between credible and uncredible information, creating projects, PowerPoints, websites, podcasts. All of these are really great skills that they can use inside or outside the classroom. And finally, just overall adaptability is just combining the hard quantifiable skills, like can they grasp overall big academic concepts or key terms, as well as soft skills, which I mentioned before, which is overall communication, leadership, etc., etc. And finally, these are some really good websites I found of strategies that teachers can use in the classroom of activities they can incorporate into the classroom.